delicious. Welcome to In Sun Shine. So for lunchy, I'll be making ginger soy honey marinated Wild Alaskan Sablefish. For the marinade, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of agave, or if you don't have agave, you can use honey, a teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and some salt and pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Put it in a Ziploc bag along with the marinade, and then let it sit in the refrigerator until ready to cook. Been about like good 4 hours since it's been marinating. Now I'm going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees convection oven for, if it wasn't frozen, I'll probably cook it for about like 10-15 minutes. But one of the fish, I pulled it out this morning from the freezer, so it's still a little bit frozen. So I'll probably keep it in there about 20-25 minutes. Onto this baking sheet. Pour the leftover marinated right over. So for my side, I'm going to keep it really simple. I have some frozen veggies that I'm steaming to serve with the fish. The fish has just came out of the oven. It smells delicious. Delicious.